Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix this account cannot use WhatsApp. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp on your device. If you're unable to log in into your WhatsApp account or your WhatsApp account is restricted due to spam, you'll need to follow the steps in order to resolve it. First of all, before we get started, check your internet connection and update your application. So then to fix it, WhatsApp spam detection system can sometimes flag legitimate account. In such cases, WhatsApp might automatically lift the restriction account a certain period, usually around 24 hours. During this time, avoid any further suspicious activity. So you need to wait patiently until then. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also open WhatsApp and you will see a support option within the app. Just go to your three-dot icon, go to settings, and here you'll be able to see help and you need to click on contact us. After that, you need to type the statement, what is actually your issue, and you need to submit the request and they'll look into your matter. Apart from it, what else you can do is you can also appeal the decisions. After appealing the decision, support team will guide you through the process to appeal the restriction. You might need to provide additional information such as a copy of your ID or other documentation to provide your identification. After you've submitted that, you'll need to wait for the response accordingly. If your account is generally not involved in spamming activity, they should lift the account restrictions. Once your account is restored, make sure to follow WhatsApp guidelines and terms to service to prevent further restriction. So that is basically how you can fix your WhatsApp restriction issue. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.